Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own vegetable stock powder using the Breeze Dehydrator and the Vibe Blender. This recipe is so easy to do and we're going to get a lot of stock powder to last us a long time. It's a great way to use up extra veg that you have laying around during the week. You can play with different flavor combinations by adding different herbs and spices. Today I'm going to stick with classic mirepoix flavors. I'm going to put some mushrooms in there as well just to add an extra umami boost. The great thing about making your own stock powder is that it doesn't come with all of the additives and preservatives that you often find in a lot of the store-bought stock products. So before we start, you need to make sure all your vegetables are nice and clean. Give them a good wash and peel anything that needs peeling. I'll run you through what we have here today. So you'll need 2 medium brown onions, you'll need some garlic, around 6 to 8 cloves, which is around about 1 whole head, 8 to 10 mushrooms, 2 large carrots, 6 stalks of celery, and 1 large leek. When dehydrating, it's a good idea to make sure that you're slicing your vegetables into uniform sizes, just to make sure that they're dehydrating at the same rate. Load your veggies onto the trays, make sure you've got enough space in between for the air to flow through. Now we can punch in our settings. We're going to put the machine on for 10 hours at 75 degrees. After 10 hours, check to see how they're going. If there's still a little bit of moisture in your vegetables, then you can put them on for another couple of hours. So our veggies are all done now and they've been cooling down for a couple of hours. We'll take off the lid now and have a look, and then I'll show you how to turn it into our stock powder. The dehydrator has done its job and all of our veggies are looking really nice and dry. There's no more moisture left in any of them and they're ready to be turned into powder. All of these veggies can now go straight into our blender jug with 2 tablespoons of salt. We're going to pulse it until it turns into a nice fine powder. Pulse the veggies up a couple of times and then remove the jug, give it a shake, and then repeat the process until you've got a nice fine powder. This is all done now and it only took about a minute to blend up. It's ready to use straight away, or you can put it into an airtight container. It'll keep for up to 3 months. So this stock powder is going to be your new best friend in the kitchen. It's an excellent pantry staple. You made it yourself, so you know exactly what's in it. Anytime you would have normally used a store-bought stock cube or stock powder, you now have your own homemade preservative and additive-free version. You can also turn it into a liquid stock by just adding 1 teaspoon to every 1 cup of boiling water. So that's our homemade stock powder recipe for today. We hope you give this one a try at home. Let us know in the comment section below if you tried anything different, any other flavor combination ideas. We always love your feedback. Hit subscribe if you haven't already to see more of our Lavelli Life recipes. We've got plenty more coming your way. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. We hope you have an excellent week and we'll see you again next time.